Hey everyone, we're going to show you how to do the rowing on the Speediance today. So we got the rower set up down here. We got the adjustable barbell set up in the rowing mode. We're logged into our Speediance, so we're going to do workout. We're going to do full guided workout. And we're going to do the 30-minute fat burning rowing. So let's get started. We got our personal trainer up there. He's going to get us all ready to go. Get our feet strapped in here.
And bonus, you can work out with your baby to burn even more calories.
Here we go. Now we're going to start rowing. So you can look up at the top of the screen. You can see how many calories you burned, the total distance you rowed. All your stats are all up there, all guided for you.
What do you say, Cal? Do you love Speediance? We love Speediance! Happy Thanksgiving, everyone!